welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. You know that feeling when it's raining, thinking of something warm and incredibly delicious. Nothing is more comforting than tucking into a bowl of hot soup on a cold, rainy day. This flavorful curry udon soup will lift your mood and make you feel better.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Tonight we are going to make curry udon. This is very exciting as I combine Japanese and Thai flavor. And also, this curry udon is a quick and easy recipe that features slurpy udon. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Step 1, we are making homemade udon noodles. That's gonna be cool and exciting. Let's mix 1 teaspoon of salt into 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well together until the salt dissolves. Next, in a medium bowl, let's add 1/2 cup of flour. Mix the salted water. Use hands to mix until dough starts to come together in a few large lumps. Firmly press and knead the dough, incorporating any loose flour until there is none left. Cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Step 2.
Let's marinate our chicken karaage. So, I am using 1 teaspoon of grated ginger.
Next, let's prepare 1 clove of garlic. Mince.
Followed by 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. A pinch of salt.
And a pinch of ground black pepper. Marinate for about 30 minutes. Finally, step 3, we are making homemade curry paste. By the way, I am using Nin's cooking recipe. If you know her, Monday new recipe! So check her out after this video, of course. Alright, let's begin. Thai curry paste is a versatile and flavorful base for a variety of Thai dishes. In its most basic form, it consists of 1 teaspoon of kaffir lime skin, 2 teaspoons of lemongrass, 1 teaspoon of kaffir lime leaves, 1 teaspoon of cilantro root or stems, 1 tablespoon of galangal, 1 1/2 tablespoons of shallots, 2 teaspoons of garlic. But I did not add the 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste. I think the best and most rewarding way to make this Thai curry paste is by pounding all the ingredients by hand using a mortar and pestle.
Alright, let's make the udon curry sauce. On a medium heat temperature, let's add 1 cup of coconut milk. Bring it to simmer. And meanwhile, let's prepare trumpet mushroom. Let's cut them into bite pieces, like thinly sliced. Ooh, looking great. Stir it.
Then let's add 1 tablespoon of Thai curry paste. Next, 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Add the trumpet mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Moving on,
Let's add 1 cup of cooking oil. There you go. I am using a potato starch. I think I'm gonna use my hand.
in this method, we will double fried chicken karaage for crispy and juicy Japanese fried chicken. Chicken karaage is one of the all-time popular dishes for bento and other recreation. The crispy outside and juicy inside make the karaage so delicious. Lightly brown the chicken and remove. Then place them onto a cooling rack. And after 2 minutes, repeat. After 30 minutes, the fun part is about to begin. So, the fun part is, although stepping on the dough makes the udon noodles soft and chewy. This is not a joke, it requires your feet because the dough is pretty hard to knead with hands. Traditionally, the Japanese use their feet to roll out the dough. So the right amount of steps is 50 times. I'm so sorry, I just need to show you how it processes. Please don't copy me, just use the floor. Dust a generous amount of flour over it. Knead and roll out the dough to about 0.1 inch. Make 3 accordion folds. Udon noodles will absorb water while it is being cooked, so cut it thinner. These homemade udon noodles, the taste and texture are much better than any store-bought brands, including the best ones, and there are no preservatives used in homemade udon. Boil a pot of water, do not add salt, and cook for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on the thickness of your noodles. Let's use the water for blanching the bok choy. Just blanch for 2 minutes so the bok choy will stay fresh and crispy. In a medium bowl, let's place the udon noodles. Then add the trumpet mushrooms. Curry udon? What a combination! Usually, Japanese curry and Japanese noodle udon, two of the most loved Japanese foods together. But now, you know that I love Thai curry. It's so cozy, it's so comforting, and it's so fragrant, all the ingredients in the curry paste. Don't you agree? And of course, this chicken karaage is my absolutely favorite. Oh my god, this is a bomb. Let's also add spring onions, thinly sliced. Then any jalapeno or red chili pepper. This delicious curry udon bowl is rich and creamy with a flavorful coconut broth. What a delicious curry udon! The combined forces of the two countries that I love, Japan and Thailand. To complete this, lastly, add a slice of lime. Look at you. You are so delicious. I can't wait. I adore curry. Its unique flavor always leaves me craving more. Thick and chewy, slurpable curry udon noodles swimming in a rich, flavorful curry sauce. This curry udon Japanese and Thai fusion is warming, comforting, and so satisfying.
So good.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!